Y'all, it's Mahogany coming to you with another video about my dreads. So today I'm just gonna be talking about the palm rolling and the different effects it have on your hair. And also, if you have not, please be sure to like my video, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. So, I'm just gonna jump right into it as always. So I don't even know what I was thinking. But I had gone through, y'all, and I washed my hair, and I palm rolled my hair. I think I was just a little curious to see of like what it would look like and what it would do to my hair. So I was just like, let's see, and I have to be honest with you. I don't really know how I felt about it. I I should have taken some pictures. I really should have. It looked, I don't know, it didn't look like how it looks now, and I kind of like the way it looks now. It's like, but it was so like tamed and neat, and it was like rolled up and stuff. It was just really weird. So I wore it for a couple days. I mean, it was cool or whatever, but definitely not for me. I think I just wanted to try it. So hey, but I mean, for the most part, it did take the frizziness of my hair, like that frizz. The frizz was like done. I had no frizz, and then it kind of like messed up my ends. Like, look at my ends, y'all. They're all like at a point now, and all of them kind of like look like this. Like, all of my ends kind of like look like this, and now they're all pointy and stuff because of me palm rolling it. So, and I kept the palm rolls in for like maybe a week. I tried to keep them in for a week, but it just wasn't for me. I don't know how I felt about it. Some days I would be like, okay, and then other days I'll be like, what? So, I mean, it's just like, I don't know. It just kind of depends on you. I always say that. It just really depends on you and what you want and what look you're going for. But me, I like the frizzy, not so tame and tapered look. But if you want a more neat look and more, put together, more traditional dread look, then palm rolling would probably be a good idea for you. But I did not like it. I washed it out. So, I mean, hey, I'm back to square one again. But, I mean, I probably would try it again, but I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was just kind of like, a little curious or whatever. Curiosity got the best of me, and I just kind of went there with it, and really wasn't for me. So, yeah. But, I mean, hey, it was cool or whatever, but not really my style. I don't know. But I just mostly wanted to kind of share, my experience with the whole palm rolling thing. I've heard a lot about it. I've seen it before. And actually, when I had gone through and palm rolled my hair, I put it in like little bantu knots. I don't know if you all know what bantu knots are, but I could probably go through and show you in another video. Like, it wasn't terrible. It just was really neat, and I'm not used to my hair being like that. So it kind of threw me off a little bit. I think that's probably what it was. I'm not going to say I didn't like it. It was cool, but it it wasn't what I'm used to, how I'm used to seeing my hair go through this journey. So it just kind of threw me off a little bit. But I mean, I'll go through and probably do it again. I really need to start taking pictures, more pictures of my hair. I don't know what I'm thinking. Like, I go through my weeks and I'm just like, oh, tired or whatever, and I just don't even think about it. And I'm really not able to like dress up and be all cute and stuff at my workplace, so I don't really think about taking pictures and stuff like that throughout the week. But I am going to start taking more pictures and showing you all, you know, more of what I'm talking about and what I'm saying. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I think I might actually just do it again, just to kind of show you all what I'm saying, just so you can see the difference between the way my hair looks now and the way it looks when I palm roll it. I mean, it's all reversible. You can wash it out, so it's not like it's anything permanent. But it did mess with my ends a little bit, which I have no problem with them being like this, but now they're all like at a point. So it's just like, whatever. But yeah, I think I'll probably go through and just do it one more time, just to take pictures and then, you know, kind of show you all what I'm talking about, and just kind of like go from there. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And I mean, as far as my locking goes, the locking is going relatively well. I've had to go through and 2-strand twist the front of my hair. I had 2 small ones right here, and I kind of like combined them. It just was like a lot going on, so I just kind of like put them together, and I'm pretty happy with it, with those 2 combined. So you all, right now I am literally, I have 14 dreads. 14 dreads. It's quite a journey. It's different, and I'm gonna be honest with you, there's not really a lot of styling or different ways to wear your hair when you have so little dreads. So keep that in mind when you're starting your dreads off. You know, the more dreads you have, you know, with females, you can style your hair a little bit better. But the less dreads you have, you really don't have a lot of room to go through and style your hair much. So keep that in mind. I personally, I don't care. I'm a ponytail, wear it down type of person, so it really don't bother me much. But you know, just kind of keep those things in mind. But tune in for next time, because I am gonna post another video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And if you have not already, please go through and subscribe, and be sure to like my video and share my video, y'all. And I will see you next time.